guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you what I keep in my JuJuBe BFF diaper bag. Now, I have a 3-month-old baby, but this is pretty much what we've kept in her diaper bag from the very beginning, with the exception of a couple of things here and there, but I will get into that. So today I'm going to be showing you strictly all of the baby's things. I'm not going to be going into the mommy pocket here or anything. There's really nothing interesting in there anyway. I have like a lipstick, a pack of gum, my wallet, my keys, normal stuff. So I'm going to breeze over that so that we can save a little bit of time here. This is the JuJuBe BFF. Like I said, I absolutely love this diaper bag. The print is in East Hampton, which was a limited edition collection. We found it on Amazon, so you can't actually get this exact print on their website, but if you look on Amazon or eBay, you can probably find it on there. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get into it. So first of all, we do have the long crossbody strap as well as the backpack straps. My husband wears it backpack style, I wear it crossbody style, which is why we actually went with this diaper bag to begin with, is because I liked that you could wear it both ways, because I knew he wanted a backpack, I knew I wanted a longer bag that I could wear as like a side bag, so that is why we went with this. In the back here, we just keep the changing pad that all JuJuBe diaper bags come with. And then in the side pocket on one side or the other, we do always have a bottle. So getting into the main pocket here, I love this print of bag because it's very gender neutral on the outside, but it has the adorable pink flamingos on the inside, so that was part of the reason why I chose this bag. So on the inside flap here, I don't keep anything in the zipper pocket, and the only thing I have in the clear pockets are a pair of socks. This used to be a pair of scratch mittens when she was a newborn, but I have since swapped it out because we're not really using those anymore. And as you can tell, the organization in here is top notch. She does go and stay with my in-laws a lot, so it's a little bit of a mess because we're not the only people that use the diaper bag. We've got my in-laws, like I said. She also goes to my sister-in-law's house quite a bit, and etc, etc. So stuff just kind of gets piled in here, but that's okay. So first and foremost here, I pulled out off the top a little outfit. We like to keep just an extra onesie and pair of pants in here. We always have an extra outfit with us, and if she's going to someone's house, we usually throw in an additional outfit or a sleeper in here so that they have a backup. Right now I have 2 packages of wipes. Normally we would only have 1, but like I said, she was with my in-laws, so 2 of them got thrown in here. But of course, wipes. Obviously in the back here we have diapers. I like to keep them in these 2 back pockets, and I personally only like the Honest Company diapers, but I believe we ran out and had to get like Love's or something, so that's what's in here. In this back zipper pocket we keep some pacifier wipes. These are the Munchkin brand, and we only ever use these if we drop her pacifier when we're like out and about in public. Like we went to a dance competition at a high school and dropped the binky on the bleachers, and we were really happy that we had these so that we didn't have to like run to the bathroom and wash it. So these do come in handy for sure. On this side pocket here I have a burp cloth. This is one of the Gerber cloth diapers, and then I have some hand sanitizer. This is the foaming fragrance-free hand sanitizer from Baby Organics. I adore this stuff. On the other side pocket here, I keep a swaddle blanket. And then the last few items in here, I have a hair bow. Always gotta have a hair bow. We've got some diaper sacks. We love these diaper sacks. It's just the Munchkin brand. Every time she has a poopy diaper, we always put it in one of these sacks, and it cuts down on the smell significantly. So we adore these diaper sacks. We have one of these formula containers. This one specifically I liked because the formula divider in here actually comes out and you can use it as just a little snack cup, and I thought this would be so perfect because the opening is like the perfect size for Cheerios or Goldfish or something like that. So when she outgrows the formula, we can use this as just like a little snack cup. So I really like this one. I don't think I can link it for you because it's from Toys R Us, which is now out of business. But if you can find one with the removable tray, that is definitely a good idea. The very last thing in here is a little teether toy. She's not quite teething yet, but she is really liking to chew on things. And so this one in particular, these come in like a little 3-pack. These are her favorite. And then we also usually have a pacifier that we throw in here as well. So there you have it, guys. That is what I keep in my diaper bag. We actually keep it super simple, just the absolute basic necessities that she needs. Of course, as she grows a little bit, this is going to change because she's going to need like toys and stuff to entertain her, but that is what we've been keeping in here. It's been working excellent for us, and we absolutely love this diaper bag. Like I said, it's definitely worth the money, worth the investment, in my opinion. We really do enjoy it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.